Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe it, and if you like the video, like, share and comment.
Today we are going to tell you how to clean your diamond jewelry at home. So firstly, you need used jewelry piece. You can see from front and back that it is a used ring. You need a fresh soft toothbrush, a gem cloth, or even you can use your handkerchief or used men vest, which should be very soft. You also need a bowl, water and liquid soap, and even you can use easy. Firstly, we will pour some water in the container, then some liquid soap. Open the brush and mix the liquid. Always use a soft brush. You can also use lukewarm water, which easily soften the dirt. Put the ring in the container like this and at least leave it for half an hour. And clean it very softly. Don't be so harsh. Do it softly, बड़े प्यार से. Because diamonds are hard, but the gold chunks can be tempered. Clean from upside. बड़े प्यार से, धीरे से, slowly, softly. Like I'm doing. And then from backside of the diamonds, because the dirt is always deposited in these pipe like gold, and do it very softly. See how I'm doing softly ताकि उसमें से वो निकल सके सारी dirt. Now sides on the ring part, or we can say dandi. Slowly, softly.
Not this much harshly.
Now do it inside the water, because dirt is more on the back than front. Why I am making this video is because when you give your ring to jeweler for polishing, they polish the ring and some gold loss is there, because without buffing gold won't shine. So it's better to clean yourself at home to save time, money and gold. Only option to get things polished is when you want to gift that piece to someone. Some people do this, but or you want it to look exactly new. Also, after polishing many times, gold chunks get loose. And now wash it again. See, now you can see the difference. Front पे किया, now I'm doing on back again. Wash it with water. See, now you see the difference, back and front चमक रहा है. Now it's a major part of the procedure. Clean it with cloth, hold it like this and dab the cloth. Only dab, not मतलब कि जोर से नहीं दबाना है, सिर्फ dab करना only onto diamonds. so that all cleaning will be done. All that liquid, all water should be cleared. क्योंकि अगर थोड़ा सा भी लिक्विड सोप रह जाएगा तो वो डायमंड में थोड़ी शाइनिंग वो लेयर आ जाएगी और डायमंड की शाइनिंग कम हो जाएगी. आराम से धीरे से अंदर से बाहर से इसको आराम से साफ कर सकते हैं. It's done. Friends, now you can see how the ring is shining from front and from behind.
Now you can see the difference between the clean ring and unclean ring. See the shining in the diamonds and the gold part. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with the video as much as possible. Thank you.